In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account. Now, what's important to understand here is that Coinbase Wallet is just that, a wallet. So if you want to exchange your crypto for cash, you're going to need to send it to an exchange. Now, you have tons of options when it comes to exchanges, but to make this a bit more streamlined, we'll send it to Coinbase. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Coinbase, or again, whatever exchange, and you need to get your wallet address. So on Coinbase, I would click on transfer on the home screen and then receive crypto. In here, you're going to choose whatever coin you are going to trade. And then that will bring up the wallet address for that specific coin. And then you're just going to copy the address. So now we can jump back over to Coinbase Wallet. You're going to navigate to the crypto that you want to sell, so in your wallet. You then want to click on send. Then you can either click on max to put in the full amount, or you can put in the specific amount that you want to send. Then hit next. Paste in the recipient wallet address, the one we got earlier. And then it'll bring you to this screen and you'll see there are fees involved. So make sure you have enough extra crypto to cover the fees and then hit confirm. And with Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase, that should be pretty fast. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do keep in mind that this is in no way any type of financial advice. Any losses you incur are fully your own responsibility. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.